Hello guys, myself Chaitali and you're watching Dear Coders. In this video, you will learn about the image tag in the HTML. So let's begin. Images can improve the design and the appearance of the web page. So I think we have seen this image tag previously. So this is the basic syntax of the image tag. It is having the src attribute and alt attribute. These are the required attributes. So image tag is used to embed the image in the web page. So images are not technically inserted into the web page, that they are linked to the web pages. Image tag creates the holding space for the reference image. So we will try to add the new image in our code and we will see how it looks on the web page. So we'll go to the code. So as we have seen, the image tag we will try to add. So it is having src attribute where we will specify the link to the image, and it will be having the alt attribute. So this we will try to add the HTML image. Okay, so this will be the alt. So if in case the image is broken, we will able to see this alt text, and now we will try to give the src. So I have kept my image in this particular folder, so I will copy the path of that folder and the image name. So this is the html.jpg. So slash html.jpg. Okay, so we'll save this file and we'll open that HTML page in the Chrome. So see, this is now we have added the image in the web page. So now you can see whatever will be the image of this like whatever will be the image that will be visible on the web page. But we can handle the size, width and height of the image. So we will see how to do that. So there are two ways. So we'll copy this and we'll paste. And for the same image, we will try to set the width and height of the image. So one way is we can add the style to that image tag. Here we will specify the width. Let's say for example, now it is 200 pixel, and we will try to set the height of that image to 100 pixels. Okay, so as this will come on to the same line, we will try to add the break in the HTML page. So we have saved the file. I will refresh. So as you are able to see, we have limited the width and height of the image. So if there is any case that we want to fit that image into the particular height and width given, so we can set it by using the style tag. Also I will show you the other way. So as we can able to do with the style tag, there are the defined attributes for the image tag, which is width and height. So we can set that by using width equals to, here it will be only number. So by default the attributes will set the height into the pixel, height and width into the pixels. So height equals to, let's say 100. So we'll save this. Again we will add the break so that it will be onto the new line. We'll refresh the page. So see, both the images are looking the same. Here we have set it through the style tag, and here we are setting it through the width and height attributes of the image. So you will say that which one is the best option, like with the style or with the width and height. So it is recommended to use the style only. not with width and height. I will explain this why. So what, suppose let's say here in the head tag we have added the styles for the image tag. So here inside the style, suppose let's say image tag is having some, we are setting some style for the width. So here if we set it to the 100%, and we will see on the front end how it will display. So forget about this first image, I will, otherwise we will give one class to this image. So that it will be used by these two particular images, and here we'll add that image tag. So here for this, when we have set it to the style, so the image is like the height and width is maintained, but in the case when we are using the width and height attributes of the image tag, this width is getting changed because we have used the width attribute of the image tag. So it is better to use the style tag only, like style attribute, so that the width will not be changed if anyone is giving the styles in the main style tag. So then now sometimes these images can reside into the other folders also, so we have to make sure that this path is correct for this particular image we want to show. Okay. Also here we can add the animated GIFs. So you can have one GIF downloaded and you can try to add that GIF into the image tag. So it will be displayed like the image is displayed. Now we will see the concept called floating image. So let's say we have the paragraph and beside that we have to add an image. So in that case we can use the floating images. So we will try to add the paragraph. So paragraph can't be of this much, so we will try to add the same text. So beside this paragraph we need to add the image. So image with the same src and alt will copy, and with the style also. So we have tried to add the image, so we will keep the width as, let's say, 42 and height also to 42. And this paragraph we will try to embed this paragraph till the width, not like this, style equals to 50 pixels. We will go for the percentage. We will save this and we will see how it looks. So here this paragraph is started from the bottom of the image, so we will try to add it beside the image. So for that we have the property called float, and here we will mention to where it should float. So we will add it to the left. So if you refresh the page, now you are able to see the effect. So this text has started from where the image has started. So basically this image is floating before, with respect to this text. So this was the floating image. Then we have one concept called image maps. So with this we can have the area on the image which can be clickable. So we'll try to add that. So basically that will be a normal image. So I'm trying to add the image. Okay, we will remove this class because it is not needed. Then it is having the alt and the styles also. So same image will be displayed. I will refresh the page. So the same image is displayed. So what we have to do now, here we have to add some areas which can be clickable, and when we click on that it should redirect to some URL. So for that purpose we can add the maps. So we have to add the map to the code. So it will have the start tag and the end tag. Okay. So to use this map to the image, we need to have the use map inside the image tag. So whatever value we will provide to this use map, that we have to use in the map. So image map we will use, and this use map which we have the value as image map, that we will be using in the name attribute of this map. Okay. So then we are having one tag called area. Here we will add the that particular section which needs to be clickable. So this area has the attribute called shape. So it can be a rectangle, circle. So we will try to add the rectangle shape, and it will be having so this area is also the self closing tag. So as image is not having the closing tag, same area will also not have the closing tag. So this area will have the shape, then it should have the coordinates, which section on the image is the clickable section. So it will be having coordinates. So this coordinates comes into the pairs. So one for the x-axis and one for the y-axis. So here we'll add some values as of now. I will tell the purpose. So this means that the first coordinate will be like 34 pixel from the left and 44 pixel from the top, and similar this will be 270 pixel from the left and 350 pixel from the top. Then it will be having the alternate. If by any chance this area is not able to located on the image, it will show this alt text. Like for image we will show, similarly it will be shown, and then it will be having the href. So when we click on that particular section where it should be redirect, that we can mention here. So for just now I will write the Google URL. Okay, Okay, now we'll save the and we'll try to see on the web page how it looks. So if you see, now this particular section is not clickable, but when we come to the bottom of this image, it is clickable and you can able to see the href that it is redirecting to the google.com. So when we click on this, it will be redirected. So here also we can add that target attribute so that it should be open in the new tab. So this was about the math. So then we are having background image as the on the HTML element. So if let's say we have some paragraph like this and we want to add some background image to that paragraph, so we can add that using the background property. So we'll copy paste the above image. No, so we don't need the image, we need to have the paragraph, so that we should add the background image. So I will try to add the paragraph. In this paragraph we will be keeping this style and width will be 50 pixels, so 50%, so it will be looking till the 50% of the window. So this is how the paragraph is added. Now we have to set the background image to this particular paragraph. So for that case, in this paragraph tag we have the property called background image, and in this property we are adding the URL of that image. So like this we are adding the URL. So if this contains in the other folder, we have to provide the proper path, but as of now it is residing in same folder, we will add the file name html.jpg. We'll save this and we'll see the effect on the web page. So as you can see, this background image is added to this particular paragraph. So yeah, this was about the images in the HTML. We'll catch up in the next video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Thank you.